Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to turn off the Motorola G15 phone and how to change the function of the side button so that when pressed for a longer time it opens the turn off menu. Swipe down twice from the edge of the screen and on the bottom right you will see the power off icon. Tap on it and power off menu will open. Tapping on icons will turn off or restart the phone, depend what you choose. Now I will show you how to change the function of the side button. Enter the settings menu and press on gestures. Next tap on press and hold power button. Tap and select power menu. Now with a longer press on the side button the power off menu will appear on the screen. Thanks for watching, goodbye.